Welcome to Teaching Kids Long U Spelling Patterns. When I teach the long U spelling patterns, I begin with the first pattern, Vowel-Consonant-Silent E. Then I teach the two vowel pairs, UE and UI, and then I teach the Irregular Vowel Digraph, EW.
When the E at the end of a word is silent, the previous vowel is long. This has a silent E, so the U is long. Our first picture is a mule, and we have the U, consonant L, silent E pattern. For mule, we just need to add the beginning letter sound M. Mule. When we have more than one mule, we have mules. So we have an extra line here for the S because it is plural. So we have M. We still have the U, consonant L, silent E, and then we're going to add the S to make the word mules. Here we have a cube. And this is now the consonant B. So we have U, consonant B, silent E, and cube starts with a hard C. Cube. Now we're going to go down here, and this word also has consonant B. So we have U, consonant B, silent E. And this is a tube, like a tube of toothpaste. So we need to put a T. Over here is a ruler, and we have lots of these in the classroom when we measure things or make straight lines. Here is U, consonant L, and silent E. Ruler begins with a an R, and ends in an R. Ruler. Ooh, now I see an elephant. But elephant does not have a long U sound, so let's look at its size. It is huge. Huge. And the consonant in this word is G. So our pattern is U, consonant G, silent E. Let's go to our next picture. Oh, a puppy. Puppy doesn't have a long U sound. Oh, it's what the puppy looks like. He looks cute. Hard C. And then our U, consonant T, silent E. Cute. Now we are going to move up to our last one. It is a flute. We have the U, consonant T, silent E pattern, and we hear flute. That is an F, L blend, flute. Now we've seen the words that have the long U using the U, consonant, silent E pattern. This is a U-E vowel pair that makes the long U sound. When two vowels are next to each other, the first vowel says its name and the second vowel is silent. So this pattern, this pair of vowels, makes the long U sound. Our first picture is a clue. We have the U-E pair there, and we're going to put a C, a hard C, and an L next to the U-E, and that spells the word clue. We have another word with the U-E pair, and we have a lot of this in the classroom. It is a picture of glue. G-L-U-E, glue. This is a shape. Shape doesn't have the long U sound, so let's look at the color of this shape. It is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Now we see a box of tissue. We have the U-E pair, and tissue is T, I-S-S-U-E. We're going to go to our next picture, which is a gasoline pump. There's another word for gasoline. It is fuel, and that is what our word is with the U-E pair. Fuel begins with an F. Let's make that a little better. And ends in an L. Fuel. Then we see a girl jump roping. Girl does not have a U sound. Jump roping doesn't have a long U sound. But her name is Sue, and that has a U sound. Since it's her name, we have to have a capital S, and there's our U-E pair, Sue. Here's a picture of a small calendar, and it has the 20th circled. Something must be due on that day. Let's put a D here, and we have our U-E, and now we have the word due. This is a much bigger calendar, and it has the days of the week. An arrow is pointed to this day, which represents Tuesday. And I see even a smaller word in Tuesday, day. So there's our vowel pair, Tuesday. Now we've looked at the words that have long U made with the U-E pair. This is the U-I vowel pair. When two vowels are next to each other, they're a pair, and the first one says its name and the second one is silent. And so this makes the long U sound. Our first picture with the U-I vowel pair sound is fruit. 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 Then we see our U-I vowel pattern again, and this looks like a glass of juice. J-U-I-C-E. Then we go to this picture, and this is a girl wearing a suit. There's our U-I pattern, suit. This is when you're traveling, you're going to put the suit in the suit case. This is a compound word, and I've already written one word, case. We're just going to put in the word suit, because that is where our vowel pair is. S-U-I-T, suit case. We're going to go over here, and so this looks like a ship, but that wouldn't work for our U sound, so it is a cruise. Card C-R, U-I-S-E. They are going on a cruise. This is something that juice is made in, a juicer, and there is our vowel pair. J, we have our pair, C, E, R, juicer. This could be any kind of liquid, which is a fluid. F, L, U, I, D, fluid. And then when you fall down, sometimes on your knee, you get a bruise. B, R, U, I, S, E. And those are our words that are made with the long U sound using the U-I vowel pair. EW is an irregular vowel digraph. That means two letters, one that is a vowel, joined together to make a single sound. This digraph is irregular because it has an E instead of the vowel U. Our first word with our irregular vowel digraph, EW, is grew. We see that the plants grew from the seeds. G-R-E-W. This is something that we eat. It is stew. S-T-E-W. When she was at her birthday party, she blew out the candles. B-L-E-W. And this is dew. It's a stuff that is sometimes on the leaves after a very cold or foggy morning. Dew. D-E-W. They flew in a plane to their grandparents' house. Flew. And again, we're seeing our EW digraph at the end of the words. This boy was smart. He knew 12 plus 2 was 14. And this is K-N-E-W. Knowing something. He knew. There are a few birds. F-E-W. And the girl threw the baseball. T-H-R-E-W. So those are the words that made the long U sound.
Bingo is a great way to review all the different patterns of the long U sound. The link for the activity templates is found in the description section. Another great review activity is to have kids circle the correct letters to spell the words and then write the words. And this is a great reference chart to review with kids.